Hi everybody, I'm JT. Welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey. And in this video, I'm just going to show you how we're going to upgrade and improve the overhead cab insulation in our Hymer Mercedes Sprinter campervan. Okay, so the area that we want to try and add some extra insulation to is in the space behind this headlining and the metal roof itself. So the problem occurs when you get condensation building up in the void behind and it actually collects on the back of the Hymer control panel. Moisture on the back of that circuit board then stops it from working. So we want to try and stop that by putting in some insulation fabric. The insulation fabric that we've got is this recycled plastic bottle eco-fill fleece, which is specifically designed for campervans and according to the logo is dead easy to install. So let's find out how easy it actually is. The first thing I need to do is carefully remove the panel here, which I have done before to look behind, but there's 4 screws, so we'll pop that off. Okay, so we've undone the screws, just going to carefully remove the panel. The panel itself is a little bit deceptive. The silver trim stays in place, so we're just going to drop this forward and you can see the cables behind. So we're just going to carefully drop this out of the way. Hopefully with a bit of torchlight you can see. You can see there is some insulation behind there. So there we go, 1 roll of recycled plastic fleece. So we'll cut it off into sections, carefully feed it through the hole, and then hopefully that will do the job. So this is going to be a bit trial and error, but we're going to cut a section and then we can feel that there is a void from pretty much here, whilst it's only about 1 inch deep here, to the front where obviously the gap is much bigger. So we'll feed it through and plug the gap. Unroll it like a Swiss roll. So some people have actually taken the whole headlining down to do this job, which in an ideal world would be what we would do, but it's quite an involved job and something that I don't really want to do in the winter time when we're a bit limited on time. So hopefully, whilst this won't be as neat behind there, the end result will be comparable. Okay, so by taking segments of the insulation, we've packed the void, not too tightly, but to create a barrier between the metal exterior and the interior. And we've done that on both sides, running up behind in the space here, and then we'll just put some more loosely packed insulation into here. The insulation wadding that we're using is vehicle fire rated. Okay, so left a little bit of space for behind the panel, so when we pop it in there's not direct contact behind the panel, so we'll just screw it back in and then hopefully that's job done. If the control panel works without any issue at all in super cold weather, then we know we've done the job well. Okay, so insulation in, panel back on. Make sure we haven't lost our 4 tiny screws. Did you have the last screw? I've got the last screw. There we go. Job done. Everything's working. All the wires are still connected. Thank you very much. So I hope you found that video useful. We are not experts in this, it's just through guidance from reading on some of the forums, but it's a known problem with condensation building up behind this panel, but hopefully we've stopped or we've avoided that from happening. So please give us a thumbs up if you found it useful, hit the button to subscribe, and we'll see you on another video very soon. Thanks for watching.